This video features standard cooking steps and variations. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for fish head curry, you can now make your very own delicious fish head curry in 3 easy steps. From the Malay and Chinese food heritage, this curry is a tangy, sour and mild spicy gravy that balances well with the sweetness from the fish. Here is what you will need to make a hearty pot of fish head curry. Depending on your preference, you can either add red chili or go without chili. However, if you like a spicier dish, add chili padi as desired. In this video, we will be using the fish head. You may also use other cuts of fish. We recommend using firm textured fish such as red snapper, sea bream or grouper. Make sure to clean the fish head or fish thoroughly before cooking. Carefully descale and gut the fish. Once done, rinse with water until the fishy smell is removed. Step 1. We will prepare the curry gravy. Add 600 ml water and Prima Taste Fish Head Curry Complete Sauce into a pot. However, if you prefer thicker gravy, you may add less water. Here are the variation cooking methods. If you like a more sour taste, add in your desired amount of lime or assam water. And for more exotic flavor, add in your desired amount of lemongrass or kaffir lime leaves. Next, add in spring onion, Chinese celery and your desired amount of eggplant, lady's finger, unripe pineapple, tomatoes and red chili. Mix well and bring the gravy to a high boil. Step 2. While waiting for the fish head curry gravy to boil, prepare another pot to blanch the fish head. Blanch the fish in boiling water for about 10 seconds. Remove the fish and add it to the boiling gravy. Then you may cover the pot and allow it to low boil for 6 minutes. Step 3. Open pot cover and carefully flip over the fish. Cover pot and continue to low boil for another 6 minutes. If you prefer a richer and creamier gravy, add your desired amount of coconut cream, cooking cream or evaporated milk after cooking the fish for 4 minutes. Leave the pot uncovered and continue to low boil for another 2 minutes. Here's a tip for you. After the fire is turned off, leave fish head curry in the pot to soak up more flavor. Reheat before serving if preferred. Fish head curry is ready to serve. Smells so good! Prima Taste Fish Head Curry ready in 3 easy steps. Cook your own fish head curry in the comfort of your home anytime. Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 55% as compared to other food outlets. Check out our website for more cooking videos.